Top 5 Most Advanced Military Robots 2022. A combination of technologies such as artificial intelligence, real-time data monitoring, and cloud computing has been gaining popularity. It should be noted that the Internet of Things, IoT, for military robots has accelerated the demands for these robots in modern warfare. As a result, the industry would be helped. They are capable of tracking, recording, and performing counterattacks when required. It is easy to identify enemies on the ground, at sea, and in the air when the targets are situated far away from the soldiers. And that's one of the reasons why they are being manufactured by the military more and more these days. That's why in today's video, we're going to tell you the top 5 most advanced military that has been used and are being made for further upgrade. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome to AI Universe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on the new things we bring for you regarding the tech and the trends, but also the vital difference between the haves and the have-nots. With that being said, let's get into it. According to many predictions, the growth of this industry will further be boosted by the increasing trend of advanced robots that make use of features such as speech and haptics-based human-machine interfaces, navigation, collision avoidance, motion, and task planning in order to spur their growth. Increasing military expenditures, coupled with the fact that the homeland security in the region is robust, will have a great impact on how the military robot industry grows in the upcoming years. And there seems to be no end to the increase in the use of robots for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) activities, which will positively affect its growth. In addition, the increasing focus by many companies on designing and developing small robots capable of transmitting images and video to the ground-based station in order to assist soldiers in making decisions in real time on battlefields during the forecast period will positively impact well for the global military robots market. By 2027, the market size of the global military robots industry is estimated to reach $25.66 billion, with a 10.15% CAGR during the forecast period. With the growing adoption of advanced aerial robots in military applications such as patrolling, security, and surveillance activities, it is expected that the global industry will be impacted in a very significant way. This industry was valued at $13.87 billion. As the proof of this can be seen in the upcoming robots that will blow your minds. Number 1. Centaur. A system devised by FLIR Systems, Centaur provides a warfighter an extremely powerful weapon for detecting hazards, validating their identity, and disposing of them. The Centaur is an open architecture unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, that supports multiple sensors and payloads that can be attached to its standard chassis to be used for present or future missions. It is a remotely operated and medium-sized unmanned ground vehicle, UGV. There are many military uses for this robot, but it is mainly used by explosive ordnance disposal (EOD) teams. Last year, FLIR received a combined order of $32 million from the United States Army for its FLIR cameras. In this deal, FLIR will be delivering 250 Centaurs to the customer. Now, number 2, MUTT. General Dynamics Land Systems Multi-Utility Tactical Transport (MUTT) is an unmanned ground vehicle (UGV) that transports soldiers' gear for them on their route while following them across the battlefield. MUTTs are also capable of carrying wounded soldiers onto the battlefield so that other soldiers can continue carrying out the operation. It is also possible to launch weapons from a remote-controlled MUTT that can scout an area before humans do. There are reports that the US military has entered into a contract with General Dynamics for the purchase of 5,700 robots by the year 2024. Number 3. Themis. The Tracked Hybrid Modular Infantry System, Themis, is an unmanned ground vehicle that performs multiple roles, reducing the number of soldiers on the battlefield to a minimum. The robot has an open architecture so it can be fitted with multiple weapons on board such as light and heavy machine guns, 40mm grenade launchers, 30mm autocannons, and anti-tank missile systems. It has an advanced self-stabilizing remote-controlled weapon system that allows it to provide high precision over large areas. It can also be operated during the day and at night. It is worth noting that the manufacturer, Milram Robots, has been acquired by 9 countries, 7 of which are members of NATO, and last November, it performed a demonstration for the Italian army. A company called Erwin GQ, which specializes in aerial delivery systems, developed a modular multi-role airdrop system called ATACS that can be used to deliver Themis into battlefields and hostile environments at the same time. Number 4. Bug drones. The nano-bug drones are small drones that are manufactured by BAE Systems and UAV Tech and are used for surveillance and other purposes. It only weighs 196 grams, which is about the same weight as an average smartphone. And surprisingly, these unmanned aerial vehicles are about the size of a smartphone. They can reach a distance of 2 kilometers and have a battery life of up to 40 minutes. Although the drone is not huge, it can function at 80 kilometers per hour of wind speed, has a high-resolution camera that can detect infrared light, and soon will have the ability to detect video from a distance. According to the Ministry of Defence, the UK has announced a budget of £66 million for the robotic projects, resulting in the purchase of 30 of these drones by December last year. And number 5, Pitbull 3. The Pitbull 3 detachable gun station is a prototype of an anti-drone remote-controlled weapon system, which was first showcased by General Robotics at the end of last year. The robot weighs 70 kilograms and has the capability to attach to unmanned or manned vehicles, and air or maritime platforms, including ultra-lightweight vehicles. In addition to this, the drone incorporates an embedded anti-drone track-and-shoot real-time algorithm that can detect a drone at a range of 5 kilometers and can be shot down at a range of 500 meters while moving or 800 meters when hovering. And bonus number 6, RCV-L. The Robotic Combat Vehicle, Light, RCV-L is a specially designed hybrid electric unmanned ground combat vehicle, UGCV. The system was created through a collaboration between two companies, Kinetic and Pratt Miller Defense. Due to Pratt Miller's proven expertise in expeditionary modular autonomous vehicles (EMAVs) and Kinetic's modular open system architecture (MOSA) robotic control systems, this robot is designed to be highly flexible and is capable of being integrated with 20 different payloads. As of November, the companies have delivered the first of 4 RCV-L that they have agreed to supply to the US Army. The contract has an option to extend it to 16 additional RCV-L systems. A platoon of soldiers from Alpha Company, 1st Battalion, 28th Infantry Regiment from Fort Benning, Georgia, conducted live-fire exercises at Camp Grayling, Michigan in late April 2021 with the RCVs. However, those tests were done with a prototype platform before the actual prototypes were delivered to the RCV industry developers. The soldiers utilized a remote control from behind a berm and tethered drone video feeds to locate the targets. They then engaged the enemy's vehicles with 2 or fewer weapons corrections, using M249 squad automatic weapons, M2.50 caliber machine guns, and Mk19 grenade launchers mounted on the RCV stand-in. There are 2 versions of the RCV Lite. One is a diesel-electric hybrid with a gross vehicle weight not exceeding 8,500 pounds and a maximum payload not exceeding 7,000 pounds. According to a previous report by Army Times' sister publication, Defense News, the craft can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Defense News also reported that the RCV-M is a diesel-electric hybrid vehicle with a gross vehicle weight of 25,000 pounds. It comes with a 30mm cannon that can be remotely operated, and it can reach a maximum speed of over 25 miles per hour. And that's it for the day. I was amazed when I stumbled upon this robot, as it is way more efficient and gnarlier than I ever imagined. So it would not be surprising if Army and the manufacturer upgraded for even more advanced features that would increase its efficiency even more than it already is. Anyway, which robots did you like the most in these? Tell us in the comments. Also, if there's any other robot that we forgot to mention, then the comment section is always open for you. So make sure to let us know the smart technology. And that's all for this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for such interesting topics. Catch you in the next video. Until then, peace.